I'm back with another super easy 52-week savings challenge to help you start saving money for emergency fund if you're not. And like all the savings challenges I have, it is working with small amounts of money. So like I said, it is super easy, and that way when you have an emergency, you will have money to tap into. So join me with this 52-week savings challenge that is very simple, very easy, and you'll be glad that you did. Stay tuned. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, welcome to another video. Thank you for stopping by. Wanda is my name and saving money is my game. If you're not saving for emergencies, let's make it yours too. Let's save more in 2025. Let's save more money in 2025, and we'll be glad that we did. And I'm asking if you will subscribe to this channel, click the thumbs up button, drop me a comment and let me know, what do you think of this video? Is it helpful? Is it a great idea? I'm very curious to know. And would you share this video, because there may be someone that could use this content also. And would you click the notification bell so you may be notified every time I upload a new video? I want to say thank you for being here. Welcome to everyone, and I hope everyone is doing well. And if you're participating in this particular savings challenge, let me know your progress so I can rejoice with you. Yeah, because I'm happy for you if you're saving money for emergency fund. And you will be happy if you have money to tap into when emergency comes. It's nothing worse than being in this situation here when emergency comes. Trust me, I've been there. And this is an easy savings challenge, just like all of them. Now, I have 7 savings challenges, and today's savings challenge is savings challenge number 4, which I do on Thursdays. Now, if you can't do all 7, that's perfectly understandable, but choose one of them. They're all working with small amounts of money, and just be consistent with that one. Then maybe you can add another one, once you get that one fully funded. And they're all, well, not all on this one, we're saving $1,000 within a 52-week period. And this one was completed, I believe, in October, and I've started over, and then it's going to carry over to 2026. And what you need for this particular savings challenge is this 2 rolls of quarters. That's $10, $20. That's not that much money. You'd be surprised. You have $20. Sometimes we need to sit down and look at how much money is coming in and how much is going out, and start eliminating things that we're doing, like eating out, which eating out is expensive. You can spend this much on a meal for a family or more if you eat out. And then if you cut out eating out, that's one way you can have $20. And we're doing this, stuffing this bag here with $20 every week. Okay, now you need a container to put it in. I got this one from the bank long time ago, and when I go in the bank and I ask them, do they have these? They don't have them anymore. But I saw this on eBay. I saw one for $12.99, just like this. But then I saw some other ones for I think $24.99, something like that. They're not that expensive, and they were a little different than this. Some of them were just plain, didn't have any writing. But this one says quarters and $1,000. So that's what we're going to save in this one, $1,000 worth of rolls of quarters. Now, if you can't do 2 rolls of quarters every week, do it every 2 weeks. Do it every month. But do something. Do what you can when you can and how you can. Don't put yourself in any bind. Okay? Now, we want to save at least $1,000, and that will cover emergency up to $1,000. That way you won't have to run out and get one of these if you have emergency. Get one of these if you have an emergency. Get one of these if you have an emergency. Or run up a bunch of these. Okay? You want to stay out of this, because this is not free money. We pay a hefty price called interest, and the fees are horrendous. And this here is this. So we definitely want to stay out of this. Now there's something like this, which can help you become financially free and have passive income. Okay, so this is good. All right. Now, we don't want to just save $1,000 because that will only cover emergency up to $1,000. We want to save 3 to 6 months of our living expenses. Sit down and calculate what your living expenses are for the month. Multiply that times 3 or 6, and that will let you know how much you need to save in case something like this happens. You know, that way you'll have money to still pay your rent, your mortgage, your gas bill, your electric bill, your cell phone, your car payment, your car insurance, your life insurance. You can buy food, and you can still live. You can still take care of things until your situation changes. And even if you have things like that, you can take that out of the 3 to 6 months of your living expenses. Okay? Now, this is a great savings challenge if this here and this is your situation. Because, like I said, it's working with small amounts of money. When we take small amounts of money, every time we get some money, put it away to the side and save it, it adds up over time. And even if this is your situation, it's still a great savings challenge because of being of small amounts of money. Now, if this is your situation, do whatever you can to increase it. Have multiple streams of income, more than one, because you never know what's going to happen to the one, and then that way you'll still have money to tap into. Okay? All right. And do whatever you can to try to start coming out of this. This can help you have money for an emergency fund, and it can help you save money, and it can help you take this money that you're paying on this and invest money. Okay? We don't want to just have money for emergency fund. We want to have passive income, and we want to be financially free. And being in a lot of this keeps us from being financially free. That's because the money is gone when you get it. Okay? And do what you can to, like I said, stop eating out so much. That's expensive. Go to the store, buy food, meal prep. That helps also. And if you're a person that likes to drink this coffee, you can buy this coffee in the store and make your own. You'll have more coffee and spend less money. Okay, so now what we're going to do is take the time and read our daily affirmations that we're reading, that we're speaking into existence, because the Bible says, call those things as being not as though they were. Death and life is in the power of our tongue, and we have what we say. If we say we're sick, that's what we're going to be. If we say we're well, that's what we're going to be. If we say we're poor, that's what we're going to be. We're going to stop speaking negative things. We're going to speak positive things. And we're going to get it in our mind, because if we see it in our mind, we can hold it in our hand. Okay, let's go ahead and read our daily affirmations. And it starts off like this. I decree and I declare large sums of money now coming to me. Money chases me down. I decree and I declare I am prosperous. Send prosperity now. I decree and I declare I am debt-free. I owe no man nothing. I decree and I declare I have more than enough money. I decree and I declare my checking account and savings account balance is, and speak what you want it to be. I decree and I declare that all of my bills are paid in full. All of my needs are met. I decree and I declare that I do not live in lack nor want. I decree and I declare I am now financially free. I decree and I declare I am a money magnet. And I decree and I declare I am a rich, wealthy, multi-millionaire. And we're going to, you got to believe these things, receive them, and expect them to happen. Okay? Expect it. Say these affirmations all day, every day. Set a timer on your set your alerts on your phone. So when it comes the alarm goes off, you can get these and speak them. I have these in the description. You can take a screenshot of them. That way you always have them. Okay? All right, so let's go ahead and count our money and see how much money we have saved. All right? Okay. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, $100. Wow. I didn't realize there was that much in there so far. 100, 10, 20, $120. Yay! This is going to be for 2026. Okay? All right. Now let's go ahead and record. Okay. Now, I didn't get the chance to film yesterday's video. But I may do it Saturday. We'll see. Okay, so let me write on here no video, so I'll just for yesterday. Okay, today is Thursday, December the 11th, and this is our money bag savings challenge. And I want to let you all know I am so proud of you all that you are doing this, and you all let me know in the comments when I miss a day and the total is not correct. So I want to thank you all for participating. You helping money is going to save you. Me helping money is going to help me. Okay? All right. So money back savings challenge, we added $20 and the total amount is $120. Yay! Okay. I want to say thank you for stopping by. Thank you for joining me. I hope this video was helpful. I hope you got great value out of this video. Drop me a comment. Let me know if you're doing this savings challenge or any of the other savings challenge, and let me know your progress so I can rejoice with you. You all have a safe, wonderful day, and happy savings. I'll catch you in the next video.